It starts with an itch and a tingle, and then it builds and expands. And suddenly, all at once, my legs won't let me stand.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and hello if you're new. Thank you for watching. And in today's video, we're making an eye mask for ourselves to help reduce puffiness, dark circles, and help brighten the under eye area. So we begin with filling a bowl with a cup or a glass of green tea. And then here I took 1 potato and 3 cucumbers. I've just peeled them, sliced them, and blended them. So what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna bring back the bowl of green tea, and then to that I'm gonna add this cucumber and potato paste, but I'm just gonna run it through the sieve first because we just want the liquid and not the fibrous part of this mixture. So just run it through the sieve and keep stirring it with a spoon, and then that's how you'll be able to collect just the liquid of this mixture. Now, while you're doing this, I'll just let you know what the benefits of these ingredients are. Now, green tea is rich in antioxidants, as you all know, and this will help to rejuvenate and brighten the area. And then potato is rich in vitamin C and also starch, which will help to lighten the area. And that is what will help us to reduce our dark circles. And then cucumber, as you all know, is rich in water, so it's going to help reduce the water retention around our eye, and in turn help reduce the puffiness. And of course, it's going to provide a cooling and a calming and a relaxing effect. So I think this is a perfect concoction for all our under eye needs. But if you want, you can change and add whatever you like, but these 3 are the things I highly recommend that you make this eye mask with. And then now I'm going to be adding a few drops of orange essential oil. I believe it's going to help increase the longevity of this mixture, but you can add almond, castor, or coconut oil also. And that's it, you're done. Now we're going to take a few cotton rounds. I think I have about 15 to 20 here, and then I'm just going to cut them in half moons. Just take a pair of scissors and just cut them in half. Now you want to soak these cotton rounds in the mixture really well. I recommend that you put like 5 or 10 at a time and not more, just because we don't want the cotton rounds to stick to each other, you know. So once they're done soaking in the mixture, just squeeze the excess out and then place them in the Ziploc bags really carefully, and you're done. Just a reminder, guys, place them in your fridge and not in your freezer. And I think I made about like 3 Ziploc bags full, and I'm good for about 3 to 6 months now. Now here I'm just placing them under my eyes, and best part, they stick like a charm. Let them sit for about 15 to 30 minutes or however long you like, and enjoy the benefits. And if you do like this, please give me a thumbs up. Do not forget to share and subscribe.
Suddenly, all at once, my legs won't let me stand.